Here's a clear walkthrough for connecting any Mivi soundbar to a TV. Start with the best single cable option your TV supports, then try the next. Quick picks best to OK. Number 1, HDMI ARC eARC. Best quality, TV remote controls volume. Number 2, Optical, TOSLINK. Great quality, separate volume control. Number 3, AUX, 3.5mm or RCA to 3.5mm. Basic works with older TVs. Number 4, Bluetooth, wireless. Small delay possible. What you'll need: your Mivi Soundbar plus power adapter matching cable, HDMI, high speed, optical or AUX TV remote to change sound output settings. Tip: on the soundbar remote or top panel, select input until you're on the right source. HDMI opt AUX Bluetooth. Most Mivi bars show this via LEDs or a tiny display. Option 1. HDMI ARC eARC. Recommended. Works if your TV has a port labeled HDMI ARC or eARC. Number 1, power. Plug in the soundbar and turn it on. Number 2, cable. Connect an HDMI cable from TV's HDMI ARC eARC port to soundbar's HDMI ARC or TV ARC port. Number 3. Select input on the soundbar. Press input until HDMI ARC is active. Number 4, TV settings, names vary. Set sound output to receiver HDMI ARC or external speaker, HDMI ARC. Turn on HDMI CEC, TV brand names. Simplink on LG, Anynet Plus on Samsung, Bravia Sync on Sony, CEC on others. If available, set digital audio format equals auto or PCM, start with PCM, switch to Dolby once it's working. Number 5, test, play something. Your TV remote should now control soundbar volume. If no sound, reseat the HDMI cable firmly. Toggle CEC off to on, then power cycle both TV and soundbar. Set TV digital output to PCM and try again. Make sure you use the TV's ARC eARC port, not any HDMI. Option 2, Optical TOSLINK. Use when ARC isn't available. Number 1, cable. Remove the tiny clear caps from each end of the optical cable. Number 2. Connect TV optical out to soundbar optical in, sometimes labeled OPT stiff. Number 3. Select input on soundbar. OPT optical. Number 4, TV settings. Sound output equals optical digital audio out. Set digital audio format to PCM first. Number 5, volume. Use the soundbar remote for volume. Optical usually won't pass TV remote volume. Option 3. AUX, 3.5mm or RCA to 3.5mm. Analog works everywhere but lowest fidelity. Number 1. Plug AUX cable. TV headphone audio out. Or use RCA LR to 3.5mm adapter to soundbar AUX. Number 2. Select input. AUX on the soundbar. Number 3, TV settings. Set sound output to headphones line out if required. Adjust TV volume to 70-80%, then fine-tune on the soundbar. Option 4. Bluetooth, wireless. Handy but can add lip sync delay for TV. Number 1. Put the soundbar in Bluetooth pairing, input to BT. Hold BT if needed until it flashes. Number 2, on the TV. Settings to Bluetooth sound output to Bluetooth speaker list. Choose your Mivi soundbar. Number 3, accept pairing prompts. Set it as default audio output. Number 4, if you notice delay, look for AV Sync lip sync setting in the TV audio menu and adjust. Common model specific tips. Mivi. Inputs usually cycle as HDMI ARC to OPT to AUX to BT. Some bars remember the last input after power off. If not, tap input once at startup this status. Solid equals connected. Flashing equals searching, varies by model. Troubleshooting checklist. No sound at all. Confirm the correct input is selected on the soundbar and TV audio menu. Set speakers to external, HDMI optical Bluetooth, not TV speakers. Try PCM output first, advanced formats later. TV remote doesn't control volume. HDMI make sure CC is on. Simplink Anynet plus Bravia sync. Use the ARC eARC HDMI port only. Lip sync audio delay. Use HDMI ARC or optical instead of Bluetooth. Adjust AV sync in TV settings. Sound cuts out. Replace the HDMI optical cable. Avoid very long loose cables. Power cycle both devices. Unplug 30 seconds. Set-top box console direct to TV. Keep it that way. ARC will still return audio to the soundbar via the single HDMI ARC cable. Fast setup flow, 60-second version. Number 1. Check TV for HDMI ARC eARC. If present to connect HDMI ARC, enable CEC. Set output to receiver ARC. Number 2. If not, use optical and set TV digital out equals PCM. Number 3. If neither, use AUX. Number 4. Prefer Bluetooth only when cables aren't possible. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and tech tutorials.